I don't know how much camera shut off or something here, but I put the peppers in. This is a sweet banana pepper and a mystery pepper. We don't know what kind it is. The local high school has an ag department, and they were growing vegetables and stuff like that, and these got marked. And then there's 3 different varieties that they planted. If the instructor got in there to mark them what they was, so they're just marked as a pepper. They could be a jalapeno or a couple other ones. I don't remember what it is, but you know, I put a red cage on it. Who knows? Green one around the sweet one, and then that's kind of it for that. I just dug a hole, buried it up to where the root ball was on it. I didn't really trim off anything off the bottom of the peppers. When it gets growing a little bit, I may pull some of the bottom ones off. But that is it for the peppers. And that's it for now. And then we'll be planting some other stuff like radishes and stuff like that. But right now, that's what we got. And let's go back and take a little review. Tomatoes, snow peas, and clear down at the end is cucumbers. Then we have watermelon and cantaloupe and sweet potatoes up here. So that's what we have planted. And you can see it needs to be watered again. I watered it when I first put them in, but I'm going to get the soaker hose out and I'm going to run it down here, and I'm just going to soak this mostly for most of tonight. So that's it. Stay tuned, like and subscribe, and we'll keep you caught up on what the garden's doing.